Your assessment po dito sa defense of Attorney Nick Kaufman.
The prosecution theory has been shattered to pieces beyond their completion.
Here's Sal Panelo na tila kakapanood lang ng boxing sa kanyang kengkoy na blow-by-blow analysis, gusto lang naman niyang utuin at bigyan ng false hopes ang mga bobo at siraulo niyang DDS fans. Imagine getting false hopes from this guy.
You know why? Because the very testimonial evidence and documentary evidence presented by the prosecution have been thoroughly rebutted by, let's go to the testimonial evidence. Contradictions between and among the so-called witnesses, even contradictions with the witness himself or herself.
Remember mga DDS, kaya nga siya ginawang spokesperson noon ni Digongyo kasi isa siyang master gaslighter. At isa pa, hindi naman accredited ICC lawyer si Sal Butiqui, kaya walang bearing or value ang kanyang mga walang kwentang analysis.
Madalit sabi, puro batay or based on hearsay, double hearsay, speculation, surmises. Yun naman sa documentary evidence, sinabi ko na kanina yon, yung the very document na pininisinta nila para ipakita yung murderous intent, saka yung tinatawag nilang community or conspiracy between the president and the PNP, sumabog din sa mukha nila kasi yung dokumentong circular na sinasabi nilang yun ang command to kill ay lumalabas. The very document itself shows na nakalagay doon, if you have to arrest, you have to do it in accordance with law. Kaya sumabog sa mukha nila lahat.
Deep inside, Mang Kanor Sal knows diretso sa full-blown trial ang former boss niya at kikita siya sa mga DDS ng limpak-limpak na salapi bilang DD shit content creator for years.
Of course, the prosecution is saying na maganda yung kanilang presentasyon, but they are entitled to their imagined satisfaction of their presentation.
So, sorry.
Yes.
In short, sir,
In short, bagsak sila.